hopefully gonna surprise her with her backyard when she gets back. This is the beginning process. So we just ripped up Nana's yard for nothing, basically.
Serious?
We got the wrong size!
Got the wrong size. Safe to say we're loaded up.
Oh yeah, I did.
Wait, here, before I water, actually, I want to see if there's...
Let's lay this sod, baby!
Loki's dead from getting zoomies.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, guys.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do something super duper fun.
Yard work.
Well, it's not gonna be fun for us, but it's gonna be fun for Nana.
So that is my grandmother. So we're gonna see if we can kind of finish the backyard that she started. We're gonna lay maybe the rest of her sod, and maybe if they have the materials there, we'll start her little flower bed.
Yeah, so she's in Indiana right now, where Luke used to live, and she comes back in like 10 days or something like that.
Or
yeah,
something like that.
Something like that. So we're hopefully gonna surprise her with her backyard when she gets back.
So fingers crossed it'll be done by the time she's back.
Hopefully we get it done tonight, but if it doesn't, we'll come back at some point and get it done.
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna go to Lowe's right now, get all the tools and stuff, and I'll show you guys the before and after and the process in between. This is the beginning process. This is where we're starting at, and we're gonna go get sod for all of this. Luke's drawing the line for the garden right now that we're gonna try to do, and hopefully we'll get this done tonight.
Oh my gosh, she's going fast. See ya.
Look, he's doing crazy!
Zoomy, zoomy, zoomy.
So first thing that we did was we just took all of the plants and stuff out of the work area so we could have a clean workspace. Now we're just using a hoe to rip up all the weeds that were under the ground. And then we found this tiller and we were like, oh my gosh, this works so much better. So we started tilling the ground with the tiller. You can see me get excited right there. I wanted to try it.
My hair isn't straight anymore. Been putting in hard work.
So we're going to Lowe's right now to get the soil and everything. We've been sweating our asses off.
Yeah,
it's so hot. We live in Florida, so it's like 100 degrees basically, and we're working out in the heat. But we love Nana, so we're gonna do it for Nana.
Yes. Sorry, I'm
We're
concentrating.
going into Lowe's right now, so we made it to Lowe's, and guess what?
They don't have any sod.
They don't have any sod. Neither does Home Depot. We called Home Depot, and there's no sod anywhere right now. So we just ripped up Nana's yard for nothing, basically.
We're gonna try to do it.
But we're gonna try to finish it before she gets back. But we have a Universal trip in the middle of this. Yeah, we have a Universal trip in the middle of this before Nana gets back. So we are fingers crossed we can get some sod on Thursday, because that's whenever they're supposed to get it in and get this done.
Yeah, so hopefully we'll be able to do that.
Yeah. Okay, we just got back to Nana's and we've decided to do the other side of the yard because there's no sod for that side right now. So we're gonna do this for her. We went and got the redstones and we're gonna start laying the redstones right here for her.
We have to wait to get the pea gravel because that's at Home Depot. And
Yeah.
we're just gonna do that whenever we get back.
So this is the pea gravel that he's talking about. We got these that we're gonna lay down and then we'll go get this later on at Home Depot.
Yeah, well, okay, what? No way. this.
Oh my gosh, no! We got the wrong size!
Got the wrong size.
Okay, hang on. He's going crazy. Okay, so the last thing that you guys probably saw was us having the wrong size stepping stones over on that side of the yard. And we got back from Universal and Luke took over the camera and took all the stones back and then went and got the correct stones.
This is a continuation of the video of Nana's backyard, my grandmother's backyard. We just got back from Universal this past Sunday. Today's Tuesday. So now I'm on my way by myself because Kaylee's at work right now. To hopefully go get some sod. I'm on my way to Lowe's to see if they have any, and then after that, the Home Depot if Lowe's doesn't have any sod, and then if they don't have any, I'll have to figure out something new. So on my way now, I'll let you guys know when I get there. Okay, we found the sod. I think this, that might not be enough. We'll get the rest of this, load into the back of the truck or the car. But we're packed full. So hopefully we can get this done in time and it's enough for Nana. So I'm gonna go drop this off, but I'm gonna wait for Kaylee to get off work before we actually do the actual job. So now I'm on my way back to her house to drop off the sod. I'm already drenched, but the sod is unloaded. Okay, I came back to Lowe's because I had to drop the sod off. I didn't have enough room for everything else. But we're gonna get 30 of these pavers to go put in her backyard. We got pea gravel, and then we also have these like red bricks, I guess you could call them, that we're gonna put in her yard as well. So get these loaded up and then I'll head back to Nana's, and that should be all the materials. Okay, update. I couldn't film loading the rest of the stuff, but we got 30 pavers, 12 little bricks, and then 3 bags of the pea gravel. Safe to say we're loaded up. Okay, 3 bags of pea bags, or pea rocks, I'm sorry. You got 30 pavers ready. You have 20 pieces of sod and 12 bricks. Not even more drenched from when I started. So all the supplies are in place, ready to get put down. So now just a matter of Kaylee getting off work and then we can get to it.
So we have all of our supplies here. We have the sod and everything. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on it. Oh yeah, I did.
Okay, here, before I water actually, I want to see if there...
So because we went to Universal, the ground dried out a little bit, so we had to re-water the ground and then re-till the ground as well, as you can see here. If you haven't seen the Universal trip video, definitely go and watch it. That one's a fun one to watch. But right here, we're just pulling all the weeds that were under the ground and then re-watering.
Let's lay this sod, baby.
that's basically this side of the yard complete for now. That's everything that we can do because we ran out of sod. That's all they had at the time.
Yeah.
So this is what we got so far. Not shabby.
Not too bad.
Not bad. So that area over there behind the bricks, she wants to do like a little flower area. So we're gonna leave it like that. We're gonna let her do like the light stuff with the netting. And if she wants topsoil, look, I'll come help with the bags. Loki's dead from getting zoomies.
I'm sweating. What is today?
The 30th.
It's the 30th. Nana is on the flight back to us right now. We are heading to the airport right now to go pick her up, and then we're gonna take her home and surprise her with her new backyard that we renovated for her. So we're gonna get her reaction whenever she sees it. I hope she loves it.
I think she will.
I think she will too. Keep on going. Step up.
Okay, step up. You're good.
Okay.
You're in the house.
You're in the house.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna walk this way.
Here, let me go.
We're gonna take this turn right here.
Guys.
Okay. You're about to see it whenever we step outside, okay?
Oh, I gotta go out?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you're still good.
Yeah, you're still good. You got it? Okay, there we go. Step down. Okay. Now we're gonna tell you when, okay? And you can open your eyes. Okay?
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, guys.
Okay, what did I do?
Oh, did you guys do that?
Yeah.
Oh my
Oh, do you love it? Doesn't it look so good?
Oh my God.
It looks so good. We're gonna show it to Lisa. She wanted to
Oh
see.
my.
Yeah, so we filmed
It
the
looks
entire
so good.
process.
Yes. Oh my.
It came
Lord.
to life.
Look at that.
You got
So-
water.
This one that I got, look, I picked it up actually, it was shredded and I didn't want
So we just left Nana's. She loved it. Her backyard looks so cute.
It's so, the landscaping part is basically finished. She just has her like last little like,
her little garden bed or her little flower bed
yeah,
that she can do.
she's gonna do some stuff to the fence, but all like the hard work, like those 30 pavers,
Yeah.
God, that was such a pain in the butt to get out there.
I'm gonna hold it.
Yeah, just hold it.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you loved Nana's reaction. We loved Nana's reaction. It felt so good to do
Felt
something
so
nice for her.
wholesome,
Yeah.
felt so good. It made you have that like, warm and fuzzy feeling on the inside.
Yeah, it makes you feel good inside.
We wanted to do something special for her.
Yeah, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Give it a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment, do all the things, and we'll see you guys next time.
Peace
Bye.
out.